Right, people want to know what England's like. There you go. Have a look up there. You see that? Oh, it's still gonna come down now. We've just had beautiful sunshine, and we've been playing. We've been playing. I was going to video the rain. Can you see it? Are you coming in for me? I guess you can see the distance of all that rain. And the wind. But yeah, this is Britain. It was sunny seconds ago. Then it'll be like this for like 5 minutes, and then it'll be really sunny again. I'll prove it to you. I'm going to show you the blue sky around the other side of the house.
Blue.
You can't go out there with a shower cap on. Right, gonna go.
The caravan's open.
The skylight's open in the caravan.
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh. I actually don't know where is the blue sky, but there was some earlier on because Tom was playing.